fill it. Bucket dredger. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's prepare the rock. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. We're approaching a coral reef. Let's turn the wheel to the right to get past the obstacle. There's an island right rudder. Attention, another ship is directly ahead. Let's pull the lever of the horn down. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast so it'll notice us. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. Filling. Crane ship. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's build the lighthouse base. Now we need to wash it clean. Crane ship. First, we have to fill it. Mast crane. Pump. Ready. Let's place the walls. time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. We're approaching a coral reef. Turn the rocks on the horizon. Right rudder. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast so it'll notice us. Green, we got past all the obstacles. First, we have to fill it. Container ship. Press the pump. Let's put the top part on. We need to wash. Container ship. Really great. First, we have to fill it. Red barge. Pump. Let's add the windows and doors. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. We're approaching a coral reef. Attention, another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast to clear the way. There's an island on our way. Turn the wheel to the... Hooray! We've sailed into the port. You're doing really great. First, we have to fill it. Ship carrier. Pump. We did it! Let's build the pier. We need to wash. Ship carrier. First, we have to fill it. Yellow barge. Pump. That's all. Let's add some plants.